In today's video, we are going to take a look at the process of delegating permissions to access and manage WVD through the Nerdio Manager to other administrators. In order to manage a WVD environment, an admin needs two things. They need access to the Nerdio application, which is an enterprise application registered in Azure AD, and they need to have an RDS Owner role on one or more tenants that could be managed through the Nerdio Manager. Now, unfortunately, the process of assigning these permissions is really easy, and it's done by clicking the permissions option on the WVD tenants page next to a specific tenant. So we're going to go ahead and click on permissions. We're then going to add a new user into this list, select them from the dropdown and click OK. And doing so will assign this new user both to the Nerdio application in Azure AD and assign the RDS Owner role to this user on a particular tenant. So what this means is if the user were to go in and log in with their normal Azure AD credentials into this URL, they would see just the tenant that I assigned them to and gave them permissions to, but they will not see any other tenants that they do not have permissions to. This is very convenient because you can have different sets of admins managing different sets of WVD tenants.